My name is Rhod Gilbert. I'm a stand-up comedian and TV and radio presenter. Becoming a fellow of Aberystwyth is it's quite an odd feeling because I did my proper degree, the real one, 20 odd years ago, and I didn't especially feel that it was me. I drifted into it. So to get some kind of recognition for doing something that I love and I enjoy and that is me and I've worked very hard towards feels great. And for it to be from Aberystwyth I've done many gigs here, many shows here over the years. It's a beautiful part of the country. It's not far from where I'm from, Carmarthen, and it means a lot. Yeah, it's fantastic. Aberystwyth is, I think you only have to look out the window and see it's a wonderful part of the world. It's just an hour and a half, or 4 hours today, with the traffic from where I live. Where I grew up in Carmarthen. We used to come to the coast here and play as kids, you know, up the Pembrokeshire coast and then further up to Aberystwyth. And I've been here as an adult, as a stand-up comedian. I've been to this very place where this graduation ceremony is happening today. I've done shows in here. It's a very odd feeling being back and not doing stand-up comedy, to be honest with you. You know, these corridors and things, I usually wander nervously, psyching myself up for a gig. So it's the room itself I know very well. I've played here many times, and the university I know.